Then inventory items and unit of measure. Inventory or stock refers to the goods and materials that a business holds for the ultimate goal of resale. Inventory items refers to the items held by a business for selling in the market to earn a profit. And unit of measure. It is a unit in which we sell a particular product. For example, we can buy 1 carton of chocolate and we can sell it in either as a whole 1 carton or as a single piece of chocolate. This is what called as unit of measure. We will discuss more about it in the upcoming session of this lecture. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to create an inventory item and to understand the inventory, lot numbered and serialized items and difference among them, and to create item class, and to understand the unit of measure, that is stock unit, purchase unit and sales unit, and to create inventory items, lot numbered items and serialized items, and to understand batch details, and to understand the production and expiry date, and product category, that is classes. In NetSuite there are 4 different types of category. They are department, class, location and subsidiary. And this class is used to differentiate the type of products. For example, here in Allied Brothers we deal with different types of items such as food items, stationery items and electronic items. These are called as classes. The purpose of this class is to make the report at the end. For example, we can know which items gives us more profit. For example, if food items gives us more profit, then we can buy more food items in order to make more profit. This sort of decision can be taken with the help of these classes and subclasses. We can also create subclasses for the parent class. Here you can see we are having the classes such as food items, stationery and electronics. And under the food item class we can create the further subclasses. We can create n number of subclasses. Here we can create a subclass like chocolates, soft drinks and so on under the food item class. Likewise, under the stationery class we can create a subclass like notebook, pen and pencil and so on. Likewise, under electronics we can create the subclasses such as smartwatch, smartphone, smart TV and so on. This kind of subclass and parent class hierarchy is very much useful while we are taking the reports, so that we can ascertain which item is giving more profit so that we can make the correct decision. Food items. Here, Allied Brothers buy the products and sell them to the wholesaler as well as to the retailer. Here, Allied Brothers sell the products in box or carton but not in pieces. Let's see its unit of measure. As I told before, the Allied Brothers sell the products to both wholesaler and also the retailer. Let's come to the wholesaler. Here, the wholesaler purchased the product from Allied Brothers in the form of box. Here you can see the purchase unit is in the form of box and the stock unit is in the form of box. That is, they buy the box and store it in the form of box, as well as they sell it in the form of box. That is what shown here. But come to the retailer. Here the retailer purchased the product from Allied Brothers in the form of box and it stocked the product in the form of box, but It sells the product either in the form of pieces or as a whole carton. This is what shown here. Here you can see the unit of measure for wholesaler. We have already seen in the previous slide about how the wholesaler buy the product from Allied Brothers and how they stock and how they sell. Here you can see how to create the unit of measure in NetSuite. To create a new unit of measure, go to list, accounting, then unit of measure and then click on new and enter the name, its plural name, abbreviation and conversion rate and set base unit. Here we give the name each for name and plural name is also here each and abbreviation is EA and plural abbreviation is also EA. For the sake of simplicity we are giving like this and the conversion rate is here 1 because the wholesaler buy the products as a carton from Allied Brothers and stock it and sell it. We will discuss more about the conversion rate in the next slide to understand the concept better. Here you can see the unit of measure from the retailer point of view. Here you can see the purchase unit is box and stock unit is also box. Each box has 36 pieces but the sales unit is either piece or box. The minimum piece here retail can sell is 1 piece and here you can see two unit of measure, that is 1 PC and another is 36 PCS, and we are giving the same name for the sake of simplicity here. And here you have to note the conversion rate for the first one is 1 and for the second one is 36, because for the first one, I mean the piece, 1 piece, we will sell the minimum quantity as 1 piece. That's why here the base unit is set to S. And in the second line you can see the conversion rate is 36, because if we sell the 36 piece then it will be considered as 1 carton by the NetSuite. This is what called as the conversion rate. And batch details. A batch or lot number is a unique identifier that is used to distinguish a specific group of products. Here you can see the product batch details. It contains production date and expiry date. Production date is the date when the product was manufactured, and the expiry date tells the consumer about the last day a product is safe to consume, and the best before date on the other hand tells you that the food is no longer in its perfect shape from that date. These batch details are used to track the products after the distribution. If there is any defect, we can get it back with the help of these batch details from the customer. And item templates. To create any food items in NetSuite, you must select the lot numbered item type. You can enter the batch number, expiry date in lot number item type. Nowadays, the batch number and lot numbers are used interchangeably, even though they have some slight difference. And then you can see the item type, its code, description, purchase unit, stock unit, sales unit, class, vendor name, and its price. And stationery items. Here Allied Brothers added another product line called stationery. Allied Brothers buy the notebooks and sell the notebooks to the wholesaler and retailer. Here Allied Brothers sell the products in carton and not in pieces. Here you can see the unit of measure in wholesaler. Here the purchase unit, stock unit and sales unit all are same. Here you can see the unit of measure, its name, plural name, abbreviation, conversion rate, and we set the base unit as yes because this is the base unit the wholesaler can sell. Let's see how to create stationery items in NetSuite. To create a stationery item in NetSuite, you can select the inventory item type. You cannot enter either batch number or expiry date in inventory item type because for notebook there is no expiry date. In case if you want to enter the batch details for notebook, then you must select the lot numbered items. Here you can see the inventory details of this product notebook. Here the item type is inventory items and it shows the item code, description, purchase unit, stock unit, sales unit, class, vendor and its price. Electronics items. Allied Brothers ordered a new product line called electronics. Here Allied Brothers buy the smartwatch and smartphones and sell them to the wholesaler and retailer. Allied Brothers sell the products in carton and not in pieces. The electronic items comes under the serialized item. A serialized item is a physical occurrence of a standard item that is given a unique lifetime serial number. This enables use to track the individual item throughout its lifetime through the design, production, testing, distribution, and maintenance phases. Here you can see the unit of measure for serialized items for both wholesaler and retailer. Here, even though the Allied brothers in this example sell the electronic goods in the form of cotton, the wholesaler and retailer need to enter the serialized number for each and every product. That is the reason here you can see the purchase unit, stock unit, and sales unit all as the same unit of measure. Here you can see the serialized items under the inventory item. Here you can see the list of inventory, lot numbered, and serialized items. For example, disposables and stationery comes under the inventory items, and food items, medicine, chemicals, soaps, shampoo, washing powder, beauty products comes under the lot numbered inventory items, and electronic items, machinery, electrical items comes under the serialized inventory items. You can buy my course Oracle NetSuite Comprehensive Complete Reference through the link given below. There, you can learn NetSuite 100% practically from scratch. The lectures in this course is structured in two modules. The first one is explanation module and the second one is practical demo module. And I also covered the accounting aspect of various processes so that you can learn accounting alongside.